that I thought I twisted my leg. Says, no, it's all right when you get your feet, so it's also your age. Then I said, listen here, there is something I want to know. He says, what is it? Lucky enough, I had been a state registered nurse before. So I said to him, hey, there is a lump here under my breast. He says, under your breast? I said, yes. He said, which one? I said, left. He said, take off your top and onto the couch. I did. And when I came there, I seen he had changed his face. I said, what's wrong? He says to me, sorry, Molly. I think I will want you to come to Mater Dei. I'm practicing at Mater Dei. I will want to get a piece of meat from there and you take it to the laboratory and then I'll be quite sure. I said, what are you suspecting? He said, I'm sorry, I'm suspecting breast cancer. I diagnosed myself. I touched and I felt mine was a big lump like this. So I asked the doctor about it and then he sent me to Mater Dei. Lucky enough, God was coming into my illness. When I was going to Mater Dei, my grandson sent money from Harare to pay for me at Casualty. That's where this doctor, Dr. Makara, or is a CEO now at Central. Makara came. Before Makara came, Dr. Nyoro came. Nyoro says, Molly, what's wrong? Long time I never saw you. I said,